What's up everybody, this is Sushant from Switch to Y. If you are new to my channel, then please turn on the bell notification so you never miss any update. This video is little different from previous video. This video is about DIY iPad Pro stand that I made myself using household stuff. So stay tuned, watch the video till end so you can learn how you can make this DIY floating stand that I made it. So I will tell you what you need to make this iPad Pro stand. See, I will keep the iPad aside. First I will tell you what you will need. You will need a paper tape. Okay. Then a marker. And you will need a set square for this. Okay. And this is a old computer's thumb screw. Okay. And you will need a plus minus screwdriver. First I will show you the design, how it's look. See, this is a wooden block. Okay, this is a wooden block of 18 centimeter by 18 centimeter. Okay. If you see what I did, here you will see two studs that are blocking our iPad, and this is the L channel. Over there the iPad is going to rest, and here you will see the one more lock. See, I have this block because I am making my studio. When I am making the studio, this piece was left, so I cut it in 18 centimeter by 18 centimeter. So, and after that, if you see that it's inclined. Okay, so this is a L channel, aluminium channel, so I bend it to a little angle, so like this you can rest your iPad. Like this. Okay, and pencil will go here like this. Okay, so it's very easy to make DIY, and I really loved it very much because I can keep this like this also, and I can read my PDF, and you can also keep your mobile. Okay, and it's simply amazing. It's in wood, so it matches my studio environment. Okay, I hope you love this. It's a very basic video that I made it for you. If you like it, then give a big thumbs up, and you can share with your friends, and see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.